Dad, what is this? Ako magpapakasal? No way!
Whether you like it or not, you are going to marry him.
But Dad, I just turned 18. I should be the one who I'm going to marry.
Just a year after that, you're free, and that's final.
You're going to transfer in HBI Academy next week.
Let her lead you on. You'll be saying no, no, then saying yes, yes, yes.
Looks like they're controlling my life now. Diba nung gusto ko? Sila pa rin mga susunod.
Like she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho. So left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Grab a cop, gun kinda crazy.
I know you won't agree with this, but I have to do it for the company. You're going to?
What? You're going to use me? Just for your business? Fuck no!
I'm not forcing you, but I will be the one to decide. I'm just telling you this to inform you. That's final.
It's so sweet, don't sugarcoat it, no, no. You'll play along, let her lead you on. You'll be saying no, 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 no. I'm saying yes, 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 'cause you're messing with your head.
Watch your step next time, idiot.
My mind, oh, she's hot but a psycho. So left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind. Grab a cop, gun kinda crazy.
Hi, Serene! What's really right? Anyway, I'm Emma. We should hang out. Go!
Sa gitna man ng daan, mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyusan ba ako dinadala? Bawat ngiti biglang nabura.
Psycho, at night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho.
Drop the act now! Bakit nandito?
Ako sinasabi mo, Pedro.
Alam ko, ang ibig ko sabihin, Miss Lavender.
Alam mo na. Ikaw ang anak ni Mr. Bonerano.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho.
Don't change the topic. Sabihin mo sa parents mo na itigil ang engagement. Or else,
Or else what?
I'm serious here. Young lady.
Catherine, are you there?
We're not done yet, idiot.
Sa gitna man ng daan, mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang
Remember the rule. Never fall for me.
Oo naman, alam ko. Tara na nga.
ako dinadala. Bawat ngiti biglang nabura, iyong naipita. Hiwaga mo yung tingin ng naatigin, kahit saan man madala. Di pinapansin.
Bes, alam mo, I think I love him.
Don't love him. Well, I mean, I'm just concerned. Ayoko lang masaktan ka. Kasi best friend kita. Hindi naman si Kevin.
But I don't love him.
Let's happy together, ha?
Stop it, Ella.
Calvin is mine. He always be mine.
mawawala.
Di pinapansin, tunay sa gabi. Magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang diin. Di
Ano ba pag-uusapan natin, Calvin?
I know my action is confusing. I love you, Sirin. But this time, totoo na to.
I trust you, Papa.